Master your chest mix and learn how to belt.
Now, the exercise goes like this. We're going to sing a duck quack to a yeah. So it goes like this. Wah, wah, wah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wah, wah, wah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So the whole key is that the duck quack especially is super ugly, right? And then we move it into a yeah, and the yeah's not as ugly, but we're still keeping some of that ugly quality in there to keep it really strong. And to really facilitate that intensity of volume and power that is characteristic of a belt. So let's practice this together. Wah, wah, wah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 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 Amazing.